Hi guys, a quick news video that I have added something into the Calamares files. If you install the ISO today, right, starting off with the date is 7th of May, I've pushed new configurations online and you'll get them if you are online. And what did I press here? So if you boot up and you launch the application, the advanced installation, never this one. This will always use, stay default, let's say it like that. And this advanced installation online, when and if you choose the second line, which says Nvidia, or the fifth line, I think, right? Another Nvidia line there with another kernel, right? Then you'll get Nvidia choices because you've chosen Nvidia. And what I've added is the 340, 390, 470, 521 drivers. Plus here as well a little bit extra things. Let me think. I think these two guys are new. Here's something as well. This is new. I think this is new. Right? So if by chance you have an Nvidia machine and you need drivers, the default is Nvidia DKMS, right? So you don't have to do anything actually because it's already on the ISO. So in the timeline, what happens is you are going to install Nvidia DKMS in the beginning before the 50% down here, the slider that you get. He's gonna copy paste every bit and every byte to the machine, so including Nvidia DKMS. But if you say I'm gonna use 340, it only depends. I've only tested 390 because none of these things I need really on my machines here. The only thing I can test is a laptop that needs the 390, but it boots up without Nvidia drivers as well, so I've never installed them really. But if you really need Nvidia drivers, right, then you have this choice now to say, let's get the 390XX DKMS together with the utils. So never, of course, do doubles, never do this, right? Well, I'll see, everything will work. It will never work, right? It's not okay. You investigate, and where do you investigate? Arch, Wiki, Nvidia. Where do you get your information? ArcoLinux.com, the menu, Nvidia, and I've given you several examples to figure out. Go to Nvidia.com, the official website, look for the drivers, it gives you a number, and then you know it's 340, that laptop is 340, that laptop is 390, that laptop is 470, and you Google a little bit more because maybe you need to switch between one and the other. So there are some tools to switch. This one, this is debug switch, I thought. So you Google a little bit and you read what all these things are. GUI, MV control is also something to switch, I believe, and Bumblebee. But you decide, you see online in the Arch Wiki and learn about your hardware drivers and hardware card and decide, okay, so in my machine, this computer needs this, and then you move on, next. Nvidia DKMS will be removed and this will be installed, and hopefully, right, it's not guaranteed, hopefully you end up into something graphical and ArcoLinux immediately finds the drivers and launches the driver, uses the drivers. But if not, the driver at least is already on the machine, and that's a matter of setting things maybe with extra tools up here that you say activate that one, and then off you go and have more fun. All right, so the guys who are installing and have the internet connection and do an advanced installation will see this already, and that's the way, well, our setup works, right? We can push things to the internet, and if you are online, this VirtualBox, of course it's online, then you get these new files in, and the packages of course are on our repos. They can be installed. This will take a while to download. It will take more time to install its drivers, right? It takes a while. All right, give us some feedback if things are working out, and we're on Discord, we're on Telegram, and cheers.